I'm having so much fun. Also, there's like this huge bump right there from shipping, but also it's been sitting in the same spot for a very, very long time.
Oh dear God, I look.
No, wait,
I look like an Oompa Loompa.
I broke my thumbnail.
Oh no.
You look like an Oompa Loompa.
Or like the little guy. What's that show where he has the big ears and he like always has them like tucked behind his jacket?
What are you talking about?
It's not Malcolm in the Middle, but it's a show like it might be Malcolm in the Middle.
Oh, bitch, I can't fucking see.
Oh Lord.
I don't know what's going on.
I like this color on you.
Oh my God, it's so long and luscious. I feel it on my elbows. I haven't had hair that long in so long.
I really like that color on you.
Can I sit on one of these pillows?
Yes.
Ew, I hate this color on me. What are you talking about?
I like it. I like it a lot on you.
Oh my God, I love it, actually.
Okay, I look like I have a tumor on the top of my head.
Wait, yeah, you have it on wrong.
No, it's because my ponytail's on the top of my head.
Well, don't put it on top of your head. You look like the cone lady.
Hold on.
Mikayla! It's like a little cupcake topper. Like the icing on a cupcake.
I'm not a bangs girl. Bangs would not do me good.
It looks like Ariel red on you on the camera.
Under the sea.
You kind of give me. Oh my God! You know who you look like in this color? Fucking Anna from Frozen. You look like fucking Anna from Frozen. Dead ass.
I've never had hair this long ever in my life, so.
Look how long mine is.
I like the curls on that one.
This is how long they are. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's elbowed you. Wow, I haven't had hair this long in so long.
I've never had hair this long, so.
I think you look better with short hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not a long hair girl or a bang girl. This bangs were not. No. Nope.
Yeah, I need to see your face more, you know? Me, it's like you can cover that shit up.
I feel like a porn star.
That's what it is! That's what it is! That's what it is for me right now. That was your hair.
I would look very washed out, but my eyes are popping.
My eyes, do my eyes pop? I mean...
Your eyes, like, I love the color of your eyes. They're like a golden green. Like,
God,
they're almost brown, but
I wish
they're not.
we hung out more because I just love all the compliments. Your eyes are gorgeous too. You want to know something interesting about me with people with very light eyes, like blue eyes?
What?
Here, you try this one on. I know you want to. I'll put that one back on too because I want to wear a wig.
My head's...
What was I saying? I already forgot. Oh, I don't really like people that have like really, really blue eyes. So blue that you could tell they're blue from across the room and they're not just like
the piercing blue?
They're piercing blue. People like that has piercing blue eyes make me nervous. I'm like, I get a little hot and sweaty around them. Yeah. I don't know what it is. It's just always been like that. We've been recording for 45 minutes. This is going to be hell for me.
Oh God, I'm sorry.
This is going to be hell. No, I've been having so much fun.
Okay. Well, we'll go with this one because it's on top.
I think it's empty, huh?
Sounds like it.
Yeah, I had just squeeze it and it would turn on. And there was a remote to turn it to what color you had it. And I had them behind like this picture frame. I mean, this painting, this picture frame, like behind here, and it would like glow a color. And it was really cool, but the batteries died very quickly. A 5 out of 10 because it was really cool for the like the month it lasts.
What were the wigs? We didn't rate those.
Oh, wigs are 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah. Minus the bangs. Bangs, I'm not a bangs girl.
The skylight. Oh,
I have been in her room with those on.
Yeah, the skylight. I have one of these that's like the blue and green with the... No, it's like a green fog look with the blue dots or vice versa, I forget. But this one you can change to so many different things. And I use it a lot. And it is incredible. Maybe I'll put a clip. Probably not, but like...
Maybe.
10 and 10. 10 out of 10. I loved it. I still use it to this day. These shoes... I don't think that these were my shoes. I think someone was giving these away or throwing them away because they weren't using them. I washed them, took the shoelaces out, but I have an idea to paint these.
That would be cool.
Right? You think that would be cool?
That would be really cool, yeah.
And I don't know what I should paint them. So slide up if you know. Okay, somebody also gave me this. So this box is just a mystery box for sure. And I have an idea to paint that as well. Oh, what is that?
Make hanging pot video.
Oh, that's my idea for this pot. Wait, show the video. I almost called it the TV. Make hanging pot vid question mark.
Is this like an incense pot?
I think it's like, yeah, an incense pot or like a candle pot and you just put stuff in there. But I think it'd be cool if I put some rope in there and make it a hanging pot.
That would be cute. We're just gonna work our way to the side.
Yes, I'm excited about this. I got this from I got this from Etsy.
Who is it though?
This is Toad and Frog from the book series as a children's book. I was realizing that I had a learning disability because everybody was going to one side of the library whenever we were getting books, and I was still on this side of the library, you know what I mean? And those were the books I was reading.
This makes me nervous.
Oh, I already have it.
You use it?
Yeah, all the time.
I keep seeing bad reviews on TikTok.
What?
This. Yeah. I have a lawsuit against them right now.
Why?
Because their stuff is like causing issues, like hair fallout, and I haven't seen anything about the face stuff, to be honest. It's all the shampoo and conditioners.
Oh.
But
well, I use it every day and I love it. Fishnet stockings, because I don't have any. I think I used to have some, but I don't know where the heck they went. I don't know if it's both or just one. Let's open it up. Oh, it is both. How exciting.
oh, it's a crystal.
Oh, snap.
What kind of crystal we got here?
What? Oh, I used to be a part of this. Let me see. $1 every month and you get a free crystal, and I signed up and it was $1 for one crystal, and then after that it turned into $5 or like $10, and I was like, no thank you.
It is labradorite moonstone. It is for limitless potential, awareness, light, and transformation.
Ready? Wah!
I'm nervous.
Cute. So grape and strawberry, but listen, the reason why I didn't open this is because the moment that this arrived, I found
All of them.
all of them.
You know from the bodysuit though?
No. I was really hoping that it was just like at the bottom of this. It is another stone. I must have opened it and just...
That one's really pretty.
Yeah, thank you. I agree.
It's giving Frozen vibes.
I'm not sure if it was this one, but there's two up here, so it had to be one of those. But here's a little emblem pin I bought.
Scooby-Doo.
A Scooby-Doo!
Scooby-Doo. Wow, that's like our third Scooby-Doo reference.
Oh, woo!
These are cute. They're little airplane tickets.
Yes, I bought two. This was originally for me and Emma. Adventure. Oh, wait. Can you see it? So cute.
So cute.
This was also a bean soup from Brittany, I believe. That was my sister.
That was hot pink.
This one's hot pink. Whoa. Also, hot pink's one of the colors I shouldn't wear. This is not looking at me. It kind of, I don't know. I feel
I feel like it would though.
I don't know, man. And bottoms. High-waisted, I believe. However you put them on. It's all the same. There we go.
Not a fan of the bottoms, but I like the top.
Oh, I'm so excited that I now can like wear this and try this on.
This is cute.
Oh, I love it. I'll put the picture of it right here. I got this from Etsy. It's a long silk dress, and it does the little frillies things at the bottom, which I am obsessed when stuff does that.
This is super
If
cute.
you watch my YouTube videos, you know, because I talked about that.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for sure. Maybe I'll try it on and put a clip here.
Insert clip here.
And oh, I'm excited to wear this too. This is like a
cover
cute
up?
little top. Yeah, you just put like another, like a little bralette or anything
That's
under
super
it.
cute. I love that. That's very you.
It is so cute, isn't it?
It's very cute. I love that. 10 out of 10 purchase again.
I am obsessed. This is a quicksand painting. It's just like, it's quicksand, it goes down here and it makes the mountains, and then I think it like flips and does it again. I'm not sure.
Cool.
I'm not sure, that might have been a lie. Well, it's pretty. Can you even see
I like
it?
the purple.
It is pretty.
I like the purple a lot.
I like it. I'm gonna put it over here.
I would just sit there and stare at that for a very long time.
I feel like a druggie.
That's what it looks like.
Officer, it's for my wall art, I swear.
It's quicksand art, sir.
Y'all, we've been recording for an hour and 13 minutes. That's why we look a little different than whenever we first did in the beginning. But I bought these at the like done with Christmas sale at TJ Maxx. I haven't opened it because I wanted to use it for this fucking video. But it's like a little shower thing.
It's very cozy.
This is a cute little headband for whenever you're doing your skincare. You put that on. I don't have a headband for skincare. And then this is like a towel thing. It's like a dress. You just Velcro it. And you get inside of it, obviously. And then you put Velcro it across.
Very soft.
You. Like that.
Super soft.
It is super soft.
Love the texture. 10 out of 10.
This, I haven't opened. This. So do you know what Twitch is?
Mm-hmm. What? Oh, speaking of that, hold on.
What? Who do you watch on Twitch?
Happy Gal.
This guy on Twitch, and his name is Rhett, and he does like, Rhett's such a sweetie, such a cutie, and so sweet. This is a merch for another guy named Ryan. Sorry, I'm hitting you with all these names, you know, but there's this guy named Ryan. Yeah, they're all basically friends, and Ryan made this merch stuff. It was to help him out, but that's besides the point. Which I love Ryan too. I've been on his streams before. But Rhett did this game where it was like a marble game, and it was like everybody went down to like this roller coaster, and you like everybody had a marble that wanted to have a marble, and then the first place winner or whatnot would win. And he did like 3 times, and he for the prize he did the merch shirt, and I got one.
You won one?
I won one. I never win, so I wasn't even like subscribed. So then somebody bought me a subscription for it. I love it. He's so sweet. And he does it at night. It's very chill vibes.
Love that.
Look how nice it is.
Nervous for no reason.
Isn't it awesome?
I love it. What is this material?
I don't know, but it's so different.
It is like I've never.
It's so thick. It's so like.
It's very like.
It's like fancy.
I've never felt a t-shirt like this before.
It's like fancy.
10 out of 10 color. Love the
10
color.
10 out of 10 everything about this whole moment. I was freaking out. It was like maybe 12 or midnight or like 10, something like that. And I was like, I just won! And then Chris ran in. It was like a whole thing. And I told Red, like I went back on his Twitch or whatnot, and I was like, I still haven't opened it. And it was like a month or so after. He was like, what, Sierra? Go open it. Da da da. And it was like really funny. But I finally
did it.
Got this big box.
What's a box inside of a box?
Oh my god, you know how much space I could have saved?
Literally.
Do you know how much space I could have saved? Look at this big giant box. I could have saved so much space.
Oh wait, there we go.
Oh, thankfully. I wasn't gonna do it. Got some bars. No, this is a tripod.
It's to hold the backdrop.
Oh, I was so pissed just now. I was like, did I order the wrong thing? Bar that goes across. Yeah. But like, where's the other tripod?
Here she is.
Oh god. Did you feel powerful when you read that?
I did. Here she is.
So many things going on. It comes with a bag. You put it in a bag.
I still haven't seen the backdrop yet. Where's the backdrop?
Did I have to buy the backdrop too? It didn't come with one?
Most of the time they do not. You have to have the setup first and then buy backdrop separately. Yeah, eMart Photo Studio adjustable background stand. Backdrop support system with carry bag. eMart, take notes. You should definitely send a trial backdrop.
I wonder if backdrop's in this box.
Maybe that's what that is. Last box.
Last box. Are you excited? Oh, let's rate that other thing. If it works.
0 out of 10 because it didn't come with a backdrop.
Well, 5 out of 10 because it looks like some handy dandy shit, you know?
Yeah.
Come on. No, it's not that. This is something else.
Please don't say we abducted anybody.
We didn't abduct anybody, but we ducked.
Is it tea?
No.
I just thought like black tea.
Wait, what the fuck is it? I thought this was my clay stuff. Look, I got air dry clay. 3 packs of air dry clay, and I'm pretty sure this is clay tools.
Gel nail polish. Don't know why that came in the box.
I did buy gel nail polish too. Yeah, that should be in there. I forgot about that. I forgot about all this stuff I bought. Clay tools. I want to do some clay stuff.
It looks like a selfie stick.
Oh, this is what. Guess what this is? So you know how we've been like crawling around my room this whole time with the so it's a smaller one, so I could put it right here, or I could put it right here.
We could have used that.
Another tripod.
Cute.
Or whatnot.
This is a lot heavier than I expected it to be.
Clay?
Yeah.
It's air dry clay. You will love it. You don't have to put it in the kiln. Alright, let's open up this freaking nail polish. I am honestly excited about this. Pink, blue, orange, green, and yellow.
Really love the purple. I'm trying not to drop this on your carpet.
Yes, please. What was your favorite thing that I opened? That we opened.
I really like the crystals. Those were cool. And
The
What
crystals?
else?
I'm like always in your way every time
I
you're
can't.
going back and
I'm
forth.
trying to like remember everything. We opened so much.
We did open so much. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment below what was your favorite thing. Don't know my favorite thing. Kind of overwhelmed with this mess I have.
It's a lot.
I can't even see it. It's a lot though. Trust me. Would you like to say anything? Your first time on the channel. Welcome. Been wanting you. I've been a wanted guest for a long time, but now you're here.
Finally here.
Hopefully
Took
she
a while.
comes again. Did you like
I
it?
will be. I did. Yes, I do.
Yeah.
It's awkward being in front of a camera, but
An hour and 31 minutes. Well, on that note, I gotta
10
catch you
out of 10
later.
recommend.
Yes. Goodbye, guys. Like and subscribe.